Johnny.
Johnny, I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
And we're so happy to have you. Our first truck. We gotta keep you caffeinated.
Oh, yeah.
We gotta give you some swag.
Fantastic.
Thank you for being here. Thank you for delivering our plants. We're so appreciative of you. We're so happy you're here.
You know why there's only one Yogi Bear?
Why?
When God tried the second time,
Yeah?
he made a boo-boo.
Oh, no! Johnny, I like you already. You